close that door. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, I am going to show you a unboxing swap, a Christmas beadable swap hosted by Tamika. And my swapping partner is Nicole, Vagabond Crafter. I will leave the link of social media accounts from Tamika and Nicole in the description box below. So this was a wonderful swap. To me it was challenging because I am not good, wrapping beads and all that. So I'm challenging myself, but it is always good to watch what other talented crafters they make. So if you are interested in watching beadable crafts, this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the incoming swap from Nicole, Vagabond Crafter. Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I am here unboxing a swap. I participated in the Christmas beadable swap hosted by Tamika Morris in Instagram, and I received the swap from my swapping partner. She is Nicole, Vagabond Crafter. So let's see what I got. Okay. Oh, I love these box. Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What a chunky monkey. Look at this gorgeous beadable dangle. Oh, I wish I could know how to make dangles like this. I mean, so chunky and so pretty. And look at the beads. Look at that. How cute. Super cute. It had jingle bells too. And then there's a mini one too. Oh, this is lovely, Nicole. Thanks very much. It's a beadable swap, right? So we were to give a dangle, pokey tool, and let's look at this other one. I love these boxes. And oh my goodness, this is a cane with a dangle. So pretty, right? And then she gave me these tiny little charms. So pretty. Oh my goodness, how generous of you. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that. Another one. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much, Nicole. This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh, and then I got my first my first glue stopper. And I'm going to look at that. My first glue topper or stopper. Super cute. Thank you. And I'm probably gonna come closer so you guys can see better. Yeah, I wonder if I turn the light off. No, it's gonna be too super dark. So I'm leaving the light on. And the second, third, love these boxes. And oh, this is the pokey tool. And how original and creative this pokey tool is. Look at the dangle and the reindeer, how pretty. And then we had a pen too, beadable pen, super cute. And then a bottle opener. I gave her also a bottle opener, but I love these as well. Oh, and she even made me earrings. Oh, let's open these earrings. Nice, because I only have 2 pairs of earrings that I had bought, Christmas related, but these are gorgeous, super gorgeous. And then we were to also give a crafty item, so I'm gonna see what she gave, and it came in this nice kind of like a pillow box, and I love the topper, all the stitching on the topper, which I'm going to definitely keep. And look at that. So let's open the first one. Oh, beads, of course. It's a beadable swab, and this is so good because I don't have that many Christmas beads. Love the silicone and all the, oh, nice. Everything wrapped. Wire wrap for me. Thank you. This is so gorgeous. I'm probably going to empty this one over here so you guys can see better. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Look at that. And the glare of the, so cute. Thank you very much. Then the next one, and I am out of frame here. The next one, more beads. Nice. Let's see, I'm gonna come closer, more closer. And I'm getting lazy. More beads, and I love this kind of like diamond beads. Super cute. The next one, these are smaller beads, super nice, with these kind of like silicone beads. Next one, more beads. My goodness, I am set for December for next year. Definitely I'm gonna keep everything in this container so I can store it in the cube where all the beads are, and I love these ones too. Oh, and this mini charms. Why is not focusing? What else we have here? Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, look at this snowman. Oh, you gotta look at this bead. Oh, I know. So cute, right? Well, thanks, Nicole. Thank you for your generosity. I mean, this is a lot that you gave me. So, I'm going to insert all these beaded dangles and beaded wrapped. Super cute. These are excellent for like mini charms or junk journals, you know, dangles here and there. So I'm gonna put everything here in these boxes, and I'm definitely going to zoom out, and my camera is not cooperating. As you can see, I have different background, like a cloud. Yes, I'm on cloud 9 with this swap, and I'm going to leave the link to social media accounts from my swapping partner Nicole, Vagabond Crafter, in the description box below, so just go ahead and follow her. She's definitely a talented crafter. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This will be the video that might be released before Christmas or holidays if you celebrate Christmas. So I hope you had a wonderful holiday, and see you before the end of the year. Bye.